Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, July 26 to 28, 2021, and we are now on the last week of July as August approaches. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. We have quite a rainy situation for the past 2 weeks here in the Philippine Islands, particularly the western sections, but this week is somewhat a relief. The rainfall across the western sections of the Philippine Islands, particularly Western Luzon, including Metro Manila, has begun to weaken a little bit, but there are still some passing nimbus stratus clouds, which bring some showers and some cumulonimbus, which generates some thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening. And right now, it's only the Ilocos Region, which is having some on and off continuous rainfall brought about by the weakening of the southwest monsoon. Last Friday, we mentioned you that when the typhoon makes landfall over eastern China, the southwest monsoon will start to weaken just a little bit, and right now it's happening across the portions of Western Luzon. Now here's the latest graph set we issued this morning until for tomorrow, Tuesday. The southwest monsoon, although it's still windy with winds gusting up to 60 kph in some areas, the rainfall capacity has weakened a bit, and it's no longer affecting portions of the western sections of southern Luzon, including Mindoro, but there are still some showers passing by in between sunshine, okay? And the worst of the rainfall, or the intense of the rainfall, will be more frequent over the Ilocos region. That includes Ilocos provinces, La Union, Pangasinan, Baguio, Benguet, and also extending into the islands of the Batanes and Babuyan group. And Tropical Storm Infa is now just a 75 kph tropical storm moving into the inland areas of eastern China, or over eastern Zhejiang, southwest of Shanghai. So Shanghai has cancelled all the flights at their international airport because of the high winds generated by this tropical storm, which weakened abruptly from a category 1 typhoon during the past 24 hours. So it's a slow moving system, so possible flooding due to heavy rainfall is expected. So flash floods, landslides is likely along the eastern sections of China. So please take all necessary precautions down there, especially our kababayans. There are some kababayans which message me to my Facebook page that they are based in Ningbo City, so stay safe there. This system will just pass by within the next few days, but the slow movement of this tropical cyclone will dump more heavy rains. So take all necessary precautions down there. And we have here the remnants of Sempaka moving again over the areas of southern China, and it's now in the vicinity of Hainan Island. It is expected to dissipate and be a part of the flow of the southwest monsoon, which is still slightly being enhanced by Infa, but right now the southwest monsoon is being replaced by the monsoon trough, which is still affecting the Philippine Islands. Except for the western sections of Luzon, the whole of the Bicol region, Mimaropa, Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, and Western Mindanao will have good weather with some winds of up to 60 kph. So it's quite breezy and fresh to our body when we are exposed with this kind of wind system, which is good. There's no on and off rainfall, except in some areas of Western Visayas, especially in the afternoon or evening. There are some thunderstorms that may pass over your area. So just take all necessary precautions against flash floods when, in case there's a thunderstorm passing over your area. And we have another tropical storm here in the Partak, accelerating now towards the northeastern part of Honshu Island in Japan. So within the next 24 to 48 hours, it will make landfall there as a tropical storm. but it is quite disorganized right now. So there you go, the trough connecting these three tropical systems. But like I said, if we don't have a strong typhoon near Taiwan, south of Japan, the southwest monsoon is a little bit lighter or milder. It's not intense, just like we've experienced for the past 8 days because of the slow-moving infa. That's why the monsoon is quite a punch across the western sections of Luzon. And right now, they are only experiencing some on and off rain showers in between sunshine. So that's in some people it's quite weird, but that's the true nature of the monsoon, or the southwest monsoon, or Habagat. So areas still being affected by floods, please take all those precautions. As we know, there are lots of diseases right now. Aside from, of course, COVID, there are some other diseases that can be found along the flooded stricken areas of central and northern Luzon. Now let's take a look at areas of the cyclone. This is the fast animation from University of Wisconsin tropical cyclone page. There you go. Here comes infa, slow moving over eastern China, and tropical storm Nepartak, which is likely another vortex is forming here, so it may be relocated east of Tokyo. So the system will pass over northeastern Honshu within the next 2 days, and here comes the monsoon trough, bringing some heavy rainfall over the Philippine Sea because of the southwest monsoon. So it's quite a relief across the western sections of the country. Now here comes the 6 hours loop from windy.com zoom in satellite animation, beginning around 5 a.m. this morning, or 8 a.m. this morning, I mean, and 8 a.m. this morning, and you can see some blistering clouds or nimbus stratus still bringing some showers across western sections of Mindoro, Central Luzon, becoming more frequent over areas of Ilocos Region, and heavy rains will still continue over these areas on and off. So please take all necessary precautions. And as we look at the 8-day rainfall accumulation across Metro Manila, here's a radio station, a Davis station installed at the top of Quezon City Hall. So the current, storm rain, or the rainstorm, which is the total rain during the monsoon event for the past 8 days since July 18, has reached a total of 586.2 millimeters. So that's quite a punch. That's really quite high, and it will generate flooding in low-lying areas of the metropolis. Right now, there's no rain. Zero rain for today, and zero rain rate. Over when we speak of rain rate, that's the real-time intensity of the rainfall, if it's light, moderate, heavy to intense. So that's the rain rate measured in millimeters per hour. So the winds is 13 kph. That's the average winds. But if we check on the gustiness, reach around 31 and 24 kph. So it's gentle winds by the monsoon, but in some areas it reach around 60 kph. Okay, so far that's the rainfall data from the Quezon City Hall. And if we look at the Asian agencies tracks of infa, most of them agree it will weaken here over eastern China within the next 3 to 5 days. And if we look on Nepartak, their track, most likely it will track over northeastern or northern Honshu in Japan. So there might be some rainfall affecting the Olympic Games right there. And if we look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Wednesday, according to windy.com, Some monsoon rains will again be experienced over Metro Manila, western sections of Mindoro, western Visayas, and becoming more frequent over the western sections of Central Luzon and Ilocos Region, including Batanes and Babuyan Group of Islands, because of the still effects of the southwest monsoon. So likely this light rain will only persist for a few days, and another round of monsoon rains will be expected. But let's hope it's only on and off, and some sunshine will still appear in between these rains. And if you check at the latest European model wind, rain, and pressure forecast, go to windy.com, by tomorrow afternoon until Wednesday, we could still see rain showers and thunderstorms occurring across Western Luzon, including Metro Manila and Mindoro. So there might be some increase in rainfall intensity again over the metropolis for the next 48 hours to 72 hours. And on Wednesday afternoon is still the same situation, and some thunderstorms will be expected in the afternoon. But in the morning of Wednesday, there could be some showers passing by, and also during the morning of Tuesday, except for the some areas of Western Luzon. So always bring your rain gear and jackets, umbrellas when you go out, especially those living in western sections of Luzon, because of the southwest monsoon. From time to time, there will be some passing patches of rainfall during the next 3 days. So there you go. That's the latest for this Monday to Wednesday. And we will return on Wednesday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.